Welcome back to the Canva course. Become a Canva qualified professional. And in this video, I will be teaching you how to do content planner in the planner which is available in the Canva. So without wasting much time, we'll go to the Canva. So this is the home page, and here if you check the editor's toolbar, you will be having this content planner. Check out this, just click on it, and the content planner which comes in front of us is for February month. Now you can, at this right hand side, you have this all calendars. Open this and see what is available. Now when we see, it says manage calendar preferences. See, we can manage it whether you want to fix the holidays around the world or social media holidays, or you want to add regional holidays. All those holidays can be set as per your requirement. So after adding this, you can go for the save button and come out of it. Now the next one is add new. You can see here on the right hand side top, add new. Just click on it. It is asking you whether you want to add a post or event. Let us check. If I click post, what will happen? Now when you click post, it is asking you to create a post and then schedule it for a particular channel. Now it is saying you can now draft and schedule a post without a design. That means it's just a reminder that you can write something and schedule it. Okay. Then afterwards you can create it and select a channel to release it also. Now you can see here what you want to do it. For example, if I want to create a post on something, I will just click on this. Now I have taken it. It is an untitled design. Now I have to choose here which channel I want to do it. See, it is showing you all the social networking sites, that is Instagram, business, Facebook page, Twitter, Facebook group, Pinterest, LinkedIn, everything is there. Whatever you want to select, you can select a channel. You can select a channel. For example, let us say some Instagram business. Now I'll tell you one thing. Before selecting this, you need to have your social media site linked with this Canva. It is simple. It will have a linking area where you have to click linked on, and then when it is linked to this Instagram, you can directly post from here. Now after choosing it, channel also, come back here. Then you can see here, when you check schedule. Now after choosing a channel only, it will allow you to schedule. Schedule means it will give you the calendar. You can choose a date and time, or else you can save it as draft also. I hope it is clear. So you can save it as a draft and you can schedule it also. Then as the date comes, if your Canva account is linked with the social media site, it will directly post it there. Now let us go to the next part. Again, let us click this portion, add new. We'll have an event. Let us create an event. See, I just want to create an event today, maybe 9th February. I can go here and say meeting. And when you can also save it here. Now let us check. See, you can see here February 9, it has scheduled meeting. Now if I want to schedule something on 19th February, I can say maybe a party and add description, that is birthday party. Now again you can save it. Now you can see here 19th, the calendar says you have a party. Now, this is how you can, for a full month, you can accurately plan everything. You can actually plan everything and schedule here and keep it here. Even if you want, you can download this and keep it with you. This is February month. Now, if you want to further move on, March you can fix, then April you can fix. You can plan the content for the whole year. I think it is clear to you. So it's so easy to plan your whole year and then have it with you, and with this reminder you can do everything easily. I think this is made clear to you, and I hope you have understood also. Thank you for watching.